Hi, Object.is is comparison of two values. Think of it of a triple equals just fixed for the numbers. If we compare, like for example, two values 1 and 2, the result will be false, the same as with triple equals. Where it gets interesting, in case if you are passing plus 0 and minus 0, and let's uncomment it with triple equals, and we run it. In case of Object.is, you will get a false value. In case of triple equals, you will get a true value. And the second difference is with none. If you compare two nones in Object.is and with triple equals, you will get different results. With Object.is, you will get true, and with triple equals, you will get false. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.